Want to earn $2,500 a month while doing absolutely nothing? Dividends can make that a reality, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. Hi, I'm Kelvin, a portfolio manager of over 4 years of experience managing the wealth of the ultra wealthy. I spend my career helping clients grow their income even in volatile markets, and today I will show you how to use the same simple strategy I use to build your passive income stream, even if you're just a beginner. Before diving into this strategy, you first need to know how much money you need every month. This isn't just a random number, it's the foundation of this strategy. According to Forbes, the average person spends about $3,693 a month. But you're not average, right? Your number might be higher or lower depending on your dreams, lifestyle, or financial goals. So take a second to picture your future. What kind of life do you want to lead? Once you have that vision, use a number to figure out how much you need to invest to turn those dividends into your ticket to financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hit the target of $2,500 a month, which adds up to $30,000 a year. But before that, let's break down what dividends are and how they work. Imagine you are a part owner of a company just because you own some of its stocks. When that company makes profit, it has two choices: reinvest that cash to grow even bigger, or share the wealth with shareholders like you as dividends. As for how often you get paid, different companies have different payment schedule, but the most common frequency is quarterly. To understand how much you are making, you will also want to calculate the dividend yield. It's a simple formula. Just divide the total annual dividend by the share price. For instance, let's say you have a stock priced at $100 and it pays a total dividends of $1 per year. That means your dividend yield would be 1%. Easy, right? You can also modify this formula to figure out how much you should invest. Just take your desired annual dividends, assuming $30,000, and divide that by the yield, and voila, you will need to invest $3 million. But here's the thing, with the strategy I'm about to share, you can hit your $30,000 target easily without needing millions. In fact, you can reach it faster than you think. And if you're serious about building wealth, smash the subscribe button now and stay updated on the best strategies for leveling up your finances. Plus, it's a great way to support the channel and help me continue creating awesome content just for you. Now, the simple strategy that can help you earn $2,500 a month or $30,000 a year is investing in the covered call ETFs. So, what exactly is a covered call ETF? The call represents a call option that grants the buyer the rights but not the obligation to buy 100 shares of the underlying stock at a strike price on the expiration date. So, when you sell a call option, you are essentially giving someone else the chance to buy your stock at a set price. In return, you get paid a premium upfront. That's money in your pocket right away. If the stock stays below the set price, you get to keep both the stock and the premium. It's basically free money. Now, what's an ETF? Think of it like a shopping cart full of stocks. Instead of buying each stock individually, you invest in the whole cart. A covered call ETF does all the heavy lifting for you. It holds a bunch of stocks and sells call options on them. This saves you effort and gives you instant diversification across different companies, thus reducing risk. So, what's the covered part? There are essentially two ways of selling options: covered and naked. When we say covered, it means the ETF already owns the stocks it's selling call options on. So if someone decides to exercise that option and buy the stock, no problem. The ETF can just hand over the shares, no sweat, no risk. Naked calls, on the other hand, as the name suggests, involves selling an option without owning the stock. This means if the buyer exercises the option, you would have to buy the stock at a higher price and sell it at a lower price, leading to losses and exposure to high risk. In summary, covered call ETF is a fund that owns a bunch of stocks that sell call options on them to make extra money. You earn through both capital appreciation on the stock and steady dividend pays out. a dual income strategy that makes your money work twice as hard for you. Now, let me introduce you my top 2 picks that could supercharge your income game and put you on the path to financial freedom. First up, JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker JEPQ. This ETF generates a dividend yield of 9.93% through a combination of selling options and investing in US large cap growth stocks, seeking to deliver monthly income streams from associated option premiums and stock dividends. What makes JEPQ even more exciting is that it delivers a significant portion of returns associated with the Nasdaq 100 index, but with less volatility. It has a beta of just 0.7. By investing in JEPQ, you get the benefits of high dividends with stability. Now, if you are aiming for the sweet $2,500 a month or $30,000 a year, all you need is invest $302,114 in JEPQ. Putting that into perspective, if you are relying on regular stock dividends, you will be looking at a whopping $2 to $3 million. Up next, Global X S&P 500 Cover Call ETF, ticker XYLD. This ETF tracks the performance of the S&P 500 index and generates a dividend yield of 9.38%. Similar to JEPQ, it keeps the volatility low and has an even lower beta of just 0.5. By investing in XYLD, you get the benefits of high dividends with even more stability. Now, if you are aiming for the sweet $2,500 a month or $30,000 a year, all you need is invest $319,829 in XYLD, which is still much cheaper than investing $2 to $3 million in other dividend-paying stocks. Now, $2,500 a month in dividends sounds awesome, but what if there's a way to supercharge it even further? Instead of cashing out those dividends, reinvest them back into the ETF. Every dollar that goes back to work buys you even more shares, which then pays out even more dividends. Think of it as upgrading your money machine, making it faster and stronger with time. With the power of compounding, your portfolio will snowball and grow exponentially to levels you never thought was possible. So there you have it, the 2 powerful ETFs, JEPQ and XYLD, that can help you lift off dividends faster than ever. Cover Call ETF offers you the best of both worlds, massive dividend payouts and stability. So what do you think about this strategy and these ETFs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you have found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.